Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Chintamani Chittoya from Mankind Pharma, and I welcome you all to this red letter day in the history of pharma industry, where a real-life protagonist meets the real, where the science meets art. No auspicious occasion begins without lamp lighting. Ma'am, may I invite you, Dr. Dharmender Nagar, Ms. Seema Vij, Dr. Kamal Bakshi, Dr. Ashok Kumar, Dr. Ajay Kriplani, and Dr. Isha Kriplani to please do the honors for the lamp lighting. Can we please have the guests here? Dharmender Nagar to felicitate ma'am before we kickstart the event. And now may I request Dr. Dharmender Nagar to felicitate ma'am before we start. A huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, please. A huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for Dr. Nagar and Dr. Alka Kiklani. Thank you very much. Can we please take the bouquets from ma'am? Thank you very much. Ma'am, before we start, I just want to share an interesting anecdote. In the history of 130 plus years of filmmaking, there have been very few or hardly any films that are made on doctors, especially documentaries. We at Mankind Pharma intended to change that. This wasn't an instantaneous thought. It kept on brewing in the heads of our leadership team and our promoters for over a decade, and finally manifested into this initiative, White Coat Legends, dedicated for doctors like you. We have a small message from our MD, Vice Chairman and promoter, Mr. Rajiv Juneja. Can you please play the message?
Good morning, Namaskar, madam. My name is Rajiv Juneja and I work as a Managing Director and Vice Chairman in Mankind Pharma. First of all, thank you very, very much for sparing so many days from your busy schedule for Team Mankind in creating this film of yours. Why this film has been created? For different personalities like you from the medical side, because there is a reason, and behind the reason, there is an incidence involved. Many years back, in my hometown, some very famous scientists came, and I wanted my son to join me in the function. But he said that he did not want to go because, as per him, function would be boring. Same son Eklave, after a few months, was insisting me and wanted to go in a function in which I was inviting, and some film stars and cricketers were coming. On that day, the realization struck that youth today have a different image for social workers, for scientists, for doctors like you, and for film stars. So the idea came, can we create some kind of a film in which these great personalities can be shown larger than life? They have done so good for the society in their own field, but youth today do not know about these people. And that's one reason we have taken up this particular thing in our hand to create different films for personalities like you. In Mankind, our endeavor is that we want to propagate science a lot, and our belief is that without propagating science and bringing the awareness to all kind of a modern science, to the right professionals, to public as a whole, right things will not happen. But since our name is Mankind, our belief is that without the involvement of human being, doctor behind medical science, and things can be done nicely. And that's one reason this film is being made. And we want everybody to really see it. Your friend should see it, your family should see it, your colleagues should see, aspiring doctors should really see, doctors in medical college should really see that what kind of a personality are you. And our second belief is that whenever a personality like you are being created, born, many people contributed. Many people contribute a lot in their personality. Your teachers, your parents, your husband, how can we forget the kids and the relatives and your colleagues, your peers. So we want that some kind of a human, what kind of a human are you? What kind of other facets your personality has got, people should really see. Keeping the same in mind, this has been done. I'm sure you like the film, your family will like the film, your friends will like the film, and if some mistakes have been committed, we'll seek your forgiveness. But today, we all welcome you, your friends, your colleagues, your staff here, and hope that Team Mankind would do a good job in being a good host and showing this film, and you will like it. Thank you very much, madam. Thanks a lot.
So, moving on to the main event now. Before we kickstart the documentary, ma'am, I would like to thank you on behalf of the whole Mankind team for allowing this opportunity, for making a film on you. I hope we did justice to the time that you gave it to us, ma'am. Thank you so much for that. I hope you all enjoy watching the movie as much as we enjoyed making it. Please whistle, clap, applause where you feel, it hits you. So please enjoy the movie. Can we please roll the movie?
दीदी, लड़की होने पे रो क्यों रहे थे ये लोग? मैंने कहा चरण धो के पी अपने माँ बाप के, जिन्होंने हमें पता नहीं लगने दिया कि लड़की होने पे रोना होता है। मेरी माँ तो शायद उन्होंने अपना जीवन ही हम लड़कियों को पढ़ाने लिखाने में लगा दिया। वो डॉक्टर ना बन पाई। उन्होंने कहा कोई बात नहीं, मैं अपने बच्चों को डॉक्टर बनाऊंगी। मेरे को यही लगता था कि मैं फर्स्ट आऊं और मेरा नाम न्यूज़पेपर में आए।
We wanted to serve the society more meaningfully.
My aim is not Lady Hardinge Medical College, ma'am. My aim is All India Institute of Medical Science.
You have to be willing to work 10 times harder than men to survive in this men's world.
They told us, one of you will have to take a back seat.
It's a temple of learning. और मैं तो वहाँ 33 years रही।
She was so humble. She was like I felt my own mom.
You always walk out of the OT knowing more than you enter.
Many patients I've seen with many IVF failures, she operates her and I don't know what happens. Even after IVF failure, they conceive sooner or later.
एक ऐसा पेशेंट है जिसने मेरी स्किल ऑफ लैप्रोस्कोपिक मायोमेक्टमी, मेरी स्किल ऑफ सिजेरियन हिस्टेक्टमी, माय काउंसलिंग, माय स्किल ऑफ हिस्टेरेक्टमी, वो सारी दिखाई। 4 सर्जरियां करी उसकी मैंने।
She is a teacher of teachers and leader of leaders.
ये डिस्क्रिमिनेशन जिस दिन छोड़ेंगे तभी ये वर्ल्ड बेटर बनेगा।
Thank you so much for this opportunity once again. Ma'am, may I invite you on the dais now, please? And may I invite the Mankind leadership team now, Dr. Sanjay Kaul, Mr. Sudipto Roy, Mr. Jijo Raju, and Mr. Ranjit Ray, to please felicitate ma'am. A huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Ma'am, may I request you to be here for one moment so we can take our respective seats. Thank you so much. May I now invite on dais Dr. Ajay Kripalani and Dr. Isha Kripalani. Like Dr. Ajay kept mentioning that no one needs to take back seat. He walked with you shoulder to shoulder in your journey. We would love you to felicitate your family for being there for you. Can you please? Can we have the bouquet, please? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Sir, ma'am, you can please take your seat. Ma'am, just will need you for one more moment. Yes, yes, yes. Please, please, sir. A huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. So you can take your seats, ma'am. I'll still need you for one more moment. Dr. Alka, if you can just stay for a moment. And may I quickly invite the Mankind team here now to be on the stage. Ma'am, we would request you to felicitate the team without whose effort we couldn't have done this project at all. Mr. Tripathi and team, can we have you here on the dais quickly? Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much, team. We couldn't have done this without your support. Thank you so much. Thank you. Can we take your seats, ma'am? You can also please take your seat. Thank you so much, ma'am. Just be careful. We all are here because we have a very special soft corner for ma'am in our hearts and vice versa. And to know what you feel about ma'am, I would like to request some of the guests to be here on the dais and speak about ma'am. To begin with, may I call upon Dr. Dharmender Nagar, sir, to please come and speak about Dr. Alka. And can you please have the hand mic? So you can take the dais.
Good evening, friends and family. मैम, सर, पहली बात तो मैं तहे दिल से शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगा कि आप पारस हेल्थ के साथ काम करती हैं. It's honestly a privilege to have somebody like you working with us. सारी डॉक्यूमेंट्री में सिर्फ एक चीज मुझे लगता है आप लोगों ने मिस कर दी. मैम की मुस्कुराहट, मैम की इंथ्यूजियाज्म, मैम का हर एक्शन जो प्यार झलकता है, मुझे लगता है मेरे प्रति शायद बायस्ड है, ज्यादा झलकता है, लेकिन जिससे भी मिलती हैं उनको लगता है उनके सबसे क्लोज है, उनको सबसे ज्यादा प्यार करती हैं. अगर हमारी कम्युनिटी, हमारी फ्रेटर्निटी इसका सिर्फ 5% भी अपने मरीजों के साथ कर ले तो हेल्थ केयर की दुनिया बदल जाएगी. मैं आपको आश्वासन देना चाहता हूं कि सिर्फ 5% जो मैडम करती हैं. मैम, योर लव, योर अफेक्शन, to the team, to everybody you touch. Brings joy, happiness. काम हम सभी करते हैं, सब लोग मेहनत करते हैं, सब लोग एक जर्नी में हैं, लेकिन खुशी के साथ, प्यार के साथ, सहजता के साथ, शी इज एक्सेप्शनल. ये सहजता, ये प्यार, ये मुस्कुराहट बहुत कम लोगों में देखी गई है, बहुत कम लोग रखते हैं अपने पास, और इसीलिए मैम स्पेशल हैं. सो मेरी हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट है कि मैम की एक स्माइलिंग पिक्चर यहां जरूर होनी चाहिए, बिकॉज मैं जब भी सोचता हूं मैम के बारे में, उनकी मुस्कुराहट के बारे में सोचता हूं. थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. May I call upon Dr. Kamal Bakshi, sir, now on the dais?
काइंड वर्ड्स. मैं तो ऑल इंडिया इंस्टीट्यूट में 33 साल काम करके मैंने ज्वाइन किया था. मेरा कुछ बहुत मूड भी नहीं था काम करने का, मगर जब मैंने पारस ज्वाइन किया, मैं जो कुछ भी डिमांड करूं, मुझे वो दूसरे दिन ला के दे देते हैं. एंड आई नो यू आर द मैन बिहाइंड इट. मैंने सुना था कॉरपोरेट में ऐसा होता है, वैसा होता है. वी आर वर्किंग एग्जैक्टली द वे आई यूज टू वर्क एट एम्स. हमें कभी कोई किसी ने कुछ कहा नहीं, और हमने कितनी डिमांड्स रखी हैं, starting with 3D, Rubina and all, and we have got everything, whatever we demand. Thank you so much for providing such an excellent work environment and equipment, so we are able to, deliver goods. Thank you.
Good evening, dear friends and colleagues. Today it is one of the proudest moments as far as I am concerned, especially when you see your child who over the years has grown up into such a beautiful star and the shining star. I've had the privilege of many young people from all over the world, coming to our institute. Institute is known for honesty, hard work, and that is why the government has made so many institutes. Making institutes does not bring an All India Institute. It is the institute where Dr. Ajay worked, where Dr. Kriplani worked. It is the people who make the institute. It is the people who make. You have seen many drug companies and pharma companies. Again, only those pharma companies who take after that India is rural and it is the most of the 70% of our people are poor. Birlas are few, but nothing like Tatas, who did such wonderful in our country, and the pharmas like Mankind and everybody who are doing so well. And I wouldn't like to take the time, you have seen such a beautiful, but I would say, Alka, I am very proud of you, and Ajay, I am very proud of you. I met Dr. Ajay as a young surgeon who had joined our department. And then came the young girl, Dr. Alka Kriplani. It was a treat, when I was the head of the department. She was pregnant with a smile, twisting away pregnant, with big VVF vaginal fistulas, Even the urologist came to learn from us. But who's the team? Honest. She worked from morning to evening, sitting in the department, and I could see there. Here is the real gem who's going to shine. And that is where you are. I'm proud of you. I wish every teacher has a child like you, a student like you, a mother like you. Your smile is a killing smile. Your work, you have said beautifully, the success is hard work, honesty, your goal, your confidence, your discipline. your sustainability. Jai Hind. Namaskar.
I want to share a very important thing of my life with you all today. Whatever I am today, it's because of Madam Kamal Bakshi. I was from a very modest background. We didn't know anybody. We just used to think we will do something good. And my husband said, the head of the department, she's very headstrong. You go and meet her. Agar unhe jam gayi aur le liya, to tu ban jayegi. Then I met her. And believe me, in those days, people used to say you have to be connected, you have to be knowing people. Somebody told me with Dr. Kamal Bakshi, nothing doing. If she is convinced you are worthy of a job of faculty, she will take you. And madam, that is how I am here today, because you gave me a chance. I don't know living, whatever pressures were on you, but just because I was a nobody, and I owe my professional career to you totally, madam.
Thank you so much, Dr. Kamal Bakshi, for your warm words, and Dr. Alka for your reciprocation. Maybe now have on dais Dr. Ashok Kumar, sir. Dr. Ashok Kumar, sir. Yes. Can you please have the mic? Son, if you may take the dais so that everybody can see you, sir, please. Thank you so much. Over to you, sir.
Good evening. I am a very small person. I don't know what to say about madam, and everything has been seen by all of you. I am a student of AIMS. I was working there as a resident when madam joined AIMS as an assistant professor, and under the leadership of Dr. Bakshi, we all learned. And madam, we also followed your footsteps and try to follow the success also, and we hope that we will be somewhere like you in future also, and that is the stimulation, or we have this guidance from you every time we see you and we try to follow you. And it is my honor here that I am a part of this event today, and I feel that, madam, you have obliged me for, and Dr. Ajay sir, always our teacher there in AIMS, and we have learned so many things from both of you. So thank you very much. And I think words are small to express the feelings. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Can we have Dr. Srinivas now on the dais, please? Dr. Srinivas, please. Can we have Professor Anupama Bahadur? All right. Dr. Neeru Thakral, if we can have you on the dais, please.
Thank you, ma'am. Very much impressed to see your legacy. You are my mentor, always mentor and stay mentor. You are teacher of teacher. I went to you in 2008 to learn laparoscopy. I like so much. After doing so much laparoscopy in my practice, I learned earlier in 2000 from Dr. Hafiz. Still I went, and I like so much. I went again for 2 years to ma'am in 2010. Your smile, your attitude, your way of teaching, it was awesome. And your loving attitude, your positive attitude, everything we want to follow and we want to be there. Your teaching attitude, and you are taking care everywhere. Whenever you meet, how are you, any problem, even you ask my son everywhere that how is he doing, your positivity, taking care of everyone, your attitude, really awesome, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ma'am. Can we have Dr. Neerja Batla on the dais, please?
Good evening to you all, friends, colleagues, ladies and gentlemen. It is such a wonderful pleasure to see so many people here today and really overwhelming. And I have to say, Dr. Kriplani, I cancelled being in Siliguri for the East Zone Yuva Foxy just to be able to attend this today, because it's not the same to see it on the Mankind website, I'm sure. And we really have come a long way together. And इतना कुछ आप लोगों ने सुन लिया डॉक्टर कृपलानी के बारे में. I don't want to repeat what has been said. Maybe some part I might, but I do want to share some things which I feel never came through. So of course she's hugely ambitious, talented, hardworking, good-looking, disciplined, all in one. And I have to quote a colleague of mine who might be here, who said, उसको तो भगवान ने इतनी किस्मत दी है कि अपनी किस्मत खुद लिख लो. She had a vision, she could see far ahead, far before us. She said कि सोचते थे प्रोफेसर बन जाएं, प्रोफेसर बने तो देखा आगे अभी तो बहुत कुछ और है. So she was like that, climb one mountain, go to others. अच्छा, what didn't come through? Her passion for films, and Dr. Kriplani along with, बिफोर द ईरा ऑफ नेटफ्लिक्स एंड ऑल, फ्राइडे को, फर्स्ट शो नहीं, वो तो होता है दिन में जब काम कर रहे होते हैं, फ्राइडे इवनिंग चाणक्य थिएटर में जाना है इन्होंने, फर्स्ट शो देखना है. और जो बच्चों की बात हुई, रेजिडेंट्स को अपने घर ले जाएंगी, उनसे काम भी करा लेंगी, फिर उनको मच्छी तल के खिला भी देंगी और फिर उनको मूवी भी देखने ले जाएंगी साथ में. सो दे डेफिनेटली हैव वेरी गुड मेमोरीज, दे स्टिल रिकलेक्ट. अच्छा, उसके बाद ये था कि लंच भी इनके घर से आता था सारे रेजिडेंट्स का, वो सारे बैठ के लंच इकट्ठे खाएंगे वहाँ पे ओटी में. सो शी रियली हैड, आई थिंक, हर तरह के मज़े लूटना और हर चीज़ की डेप्थ में जाना. जब घर बनाया तो एक एक इटालियन मार्बल का नाम, क्वालिटी, कॉस्ट. जब जेम्स खरीदने गए, हर दिन बर्थडे पे और एनिवर्सरी पे डॉक्टर कृपलानी लेके जाते थे ज्वेलरी खरीदने शाम को. अगले दिन मैं पूछती थी कल क्या लिया, अब पूछती हूँ, कहती हैं बहुत हो गया नीरजा, अब मन नहीं करता. एंड शी न्यू माई ज्वेलरी. बहुत दिनों के बाद एक चूड़ी पहनी, अच्छा ये वाली तो तूने खन्ना से ली थी ना. Oh my God, I can forget what it cost or where I got it, but she won't forget. What a memory, what an interest. चारों तरफ से जिंदगी के मजे लूटना. थोड़ी फिल्म में ना काम का ज्यादा था, ये नहीं समझ आया कि हर चीज में कितनी रुचि रखनी. नहीं, अब 5 बज गए हैं, मैं जा रही हूँ, बच्चों को लेके जाना है, मैंने वहाँ से इनको दिलवानी है चीज़ें, बिग जोज पे जा रहे हैं. Everything balanced to the core, very organized. I fully agree. How much we have learned from her. As a head of department, any challenge I used to ask myself, Dr. Kriplani होती तो क्या करती. I think you have been a great role model, a great person to work with, and you have deserved every success that came your way. I could go on and on. किसी दिन biography लिखी जाएगी तो उसमें ज़रूर contribution दूंगी. Many good wishes for all of you for the road ahead.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. I think you gave us a great idea for season 2, documentary on Dr. Alka Kriplani. We'll surely do that. Can we have on dais Dr. Nutan Agarwal now?
It was really a very nice film, madam, and a really great film you prepared for the doctors. I am very happy that somebody made a film for the doctor. This is something very great. And I would say that it is I feel fortunate and lucky that I have worked with her. Myself, Dr. Neerja and Dr. Kriplani, we three were together for a long time. Almost 1/3 of my life has been passed with her in a profession, career and academics, and learned so much, and we went together so much for our profession with her there. But I would say she's really a lady of firm determination and persistence. I have never found any person like this. She never tries to get the opportunities. She never waits for opportunities. She makes her doors and opens them with all the team to get the opportunity. She never waits for the opportunity. This is the success. This is the secret of her success. And madam, I would say that your passion and profession both are same. and that is surgery. And that's why she puts her all heart, all soul in that. All professional wise, academically also, she puts everything, whatever she does, she puts her soul in that. And that's why she gets the best out of it. And I would say it was really pleasant to work with you all the time. And I have written few lines for you that maybe you are a lady of firm determination, like a stone, but your heart is like a moon. I would say sometimes you create a anger and a storm also, create a storm, but your love and affection creates a calm like a word om. So ma'am, we all love you and you love us so much. Whenever we are with you, we feel we are at home. Okay, thank you ma'am, we all love you.
Neerja and Nutan, we have grown together actually. We were for decades together. बहुत खट्टी मीठी यादें, ये दोनों बहुत ही स्पेशल हैं. नीरजा तो शी इज इमेंसली टैलेंटेड एंड हमने बहुत कुछ साथ में देखा, सीखा. और नूतन ने ये जो कहा ना कि ये सिर्फ सर्जरी, मैंने कहा नूतन शी इज सो टैलेंटेड, शी मेक्स सच लवली डिजाइन्स, अपना घर पूरा आर्किटेक्ट, मुझे सब कुछ नहीं आता. तो मैं जब भी नूतन के पास जाती हूँ मैं कहती हूँ नूतन तू मल्टी टैलेंटेड है, मुझे सिर्फ सर्जरी आती है.
Thank you so much, Nutan ma'am. Can we have Dr. Deepak Singh now on the dais? So if we can have you on dais again so that everyone can see you. Thank you so much, sir. Over to you.
Good evening, everyone. I would like to say, first of all, I will be very thankful to the God कि मुझे ऐसे मम्मी और पापा मिले हैं. और आप लोग प्रोफेशनली तो मम्मी के बारे में सब जानते हैं, बट पर्सनली जैसे मम्मी है, शी इज़ द बेस्ट टीचर एंड द बेस्ट मदर. एंड या मतलब थैंक यू.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. May I now invite Ms. Seema Vij now on the dais? And can we please have the mic?
Namaskar, everyone, ma'am and sir. I think everyone have heard about ma'am, and I would like to say only one line, that she is a bomb of energy. Wherever she goes, wherever she is, she will spread out all energy, all happiness, all smile, wherever she will be, always. And ma'am, we are really lucky that we are working with you. It's my honor, my pleasure that we all are working together, and we, inshallah, we all will be always working together. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Can you have Dr. Isha Kriplani now on the dais? Ma'am, everyone spoke very sweetly about ma'am. We are hoping that you will delve out some secrets that all of us don't know. So over to you.
Hi everyone, good evening. It's an honor to stand here today and celebrate the journey, of my mother's achievements. Ma, I'm so proud of you. And I'm so blessed to be raised by this woman who's an epitome of strength and beauty. And I'm so blessed to go to work every day with her, watch her perform the hardest surgeries with such finesse, watch her counsel the patients in OPD. She inspires me every day. And she's inspired hundreds, probably thousands of other students and residents like me. She's shaped our lives and careers. I love you, Ma.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And now can we have on dais ma'am's partner in passion, Dr. Ajay Kriplani, sir, to say a few words about ma'am. Yes, can we please have the mic first, sir?
Actually, I am so much delighted to be here कि मुझे मन किया कुछ दो शब्द मैं भी बोल सकूं. Actually, although I am Dr. S.K. Agarwal, my wife Dr. Nutan Agarwal, she worked with her in AIIMS for many decades, and I have noticed one thing in the biodata, almost all picture, she is not mentioned anywhere. She was ex-president of AICOG or FOXI. That was not mentioned in that, but was missing. And to be president of any society of your specialty is a great honor. Number one. Number two, I heard from her always, she is in the unit head or the head of the department. She used to treat like her unit or the department as a family. And number 3 thing is this, she is the one who started laparoscopic gynae surgery. So I should say she is the mother of laparoscopic gynae surgery in AIIMS. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. And now, can we have ma'am's partner in passion, Dr. Ajay Kriplani, sir, to be here on the dais? A huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, please.
Well, good evening, everyone. I really didn't know that at the end we have to share our thoughts, because whatever thoughts I had, most of the thoughts you have seen on the movie. So I can always claim that this question is out of syllabus. But my predecessors have performed so well on a question out of syllabus that I also have to say something. And the most important thing is that if you give the husband who is married for 45 years to a lady, and every day evening he has to go back to the home and have dinner and have a restful sleep, tell me what is the choice he has except praising his wife? So, it's more a formality. It is indirect, or, everybody has to know that what I'm going to speak, because particularly when there are hundreds of admirers of that lady sitting in the hall, so you can dare not say anything, any word against her, because you know that then you will be outcast and you will be the odd man out. But everything apart, you should admire me at least for one thing. At the age of 18 years, I could spot a girl whom I knew will grow to be head of the department of All India Institute of Medical Sciences in the Gynae department, who will become a BC Roy awardee, who will become a Padma Shri, who will become an honorary FRCS given by Royal College of Surgeons of England, so many decorations, and her clinical, second inning of the clinical practice will be more fantastic and more strong, more robust than the first round that she had. So you must admire me for having that far vision. Perhaps there will be very few people who can have such far vision of 40 years ahead of time that I had. All the jokes apart, in India we believe that marriages are only celebrated on earth and they are actually decided in the heaven. And it is by God's grace that I have she as my wife. And it has been a very fantastic journey. It has been, her support. We in life, particularly a couple who is coming from a very small town without any connections, without any support, in a city of Delhi, where there's a sea of humanity, and to get a foothold is so extremely difficult. In good times, in bad times, अच्छे समय में, बुरे समय में, मुश्किल समय में, easy समय में, she has been a rock-like support to me. In my initial period when we left railways, and if she had refused to leave railways at that time, perhaps both of us wouldn't have been where we are. But she not only cooperated, but she took a step ahead, and we could both make our careers together, while so many well-wishers told us that choose which one of you want to go ahead, and the second person should take a supporting job. But by God's grace, by everybody's goodwill, both of us could make our careers, and obviously we are where we are. And they say that behind every man there's a woman, and now behind every woman, there's a successful woman, there's a man. So we are thankful to all of you for for your goodwill, for your time that you took out on this evening to share with us, be with us, spend your time, join us in the joy, join us in the celebrations. And we are indebted to you, and many of you have helped us in shaping our careers. Many of you have supported us. Many of you have shown your goodwill, and we are extremely thankful to you for all the support that we have given you. To conclude about her, I would only say that तेरी बातों में वो मिठास है जैसे फागुन की पहली बरसात है. तेरे साथ हर पल खास है, तेरे बिना हर लम्हा उदास है. तेरी हर मुस्कान पे हो जाऊं कुर्बान, तू ही मेरी जिंदगी, तू ही मेरी जान है. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for such a heartfelt message for ma'am. I think it warmed up the cold Delhi evening. Thank you so much for that, sir. I think this evening will be incomplete if we don't hear from Dr. Alka Kripalani, ma'am. Ma'am, अगर आप मंच पर आ सकें, हम सब आपका मनोगत सुनना चाहेंगे, ma'am. A huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, please.
Whatever needed to be said has been said. सब कुछ तो फिल्म में एक्सपोज हो गया है. I want to share that when these people came to me कि आप पे डॉक्यूमेंट्री बनाएंगे, तो मैं बहुत शर्मा गई और मैंने इनसे मिलना बंद कर दिया. और these people persisted and he says that 3-4 times he had to make visit from Mumbai to Delhi. तो आज मैं मैनकाइंड को सॉरी बोलती हूँ कि मैंने आपको इतना परेशान किया. एक्चुअली मुझे लगा कि I don't believe in, going with the personal life, but I'm thoroughly enjoying. Thank you all. I must thank first the Almighty God. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि बहुत लोग बहुत अच्छे हैं, बहुत काम करते हैं, मगर आपकी किस्मत, डेस्टिनी, लक, सही समय पे सही जगह, ये सब, इस सब के लिए you need God's mercy to be recognized. उसके बाद पेरेंट्स हैं. आजकल हम सब अपने करियर बनाते हैं. हमारे पेरेंट्स का एक ही सपना था कि बच्चे पढ़ लिख जाएं. उसके लिए वो उनके जीवन में और कोई प्लेजर नहीं था. इसका एग्जाम चल रहा है, एक तो इतने इतने बच्चे, इसको खेलने जाना है, इसका ये, तो वो पेरेंट्स उन्होंने तो अपना जीवन ही दे दिया हमको. मैं आज सोच रही थी अगर मेरे मम्मी डैडी यहाँ होते तो उन्हें कितना अच्छा लगता. मे बी वेयर एवर दे आर इन द स्टार्स, दे विल बी हैप्पी टुडे. उसके बाद अपनी फैमिली है. मेरी छोटी बेटी यहाँ है, बड़ी बेटी लंदन में है. मैं बहुत लकी हूँ कि मेरे ऐसे बच्चे हैं, ऐसे दामाद हैं. एक छोटी सी बात शेयर करूंगी, शायद आप लोगों को लगे. द काइंड ऑफ रिलेशन आई शेयर विथ अजय, आपने देखा वो सच में मेरे में इतने विजन नहीं था जितना वो विजनरी है. तो हरदम उसने मुझे प्रेरित किया लाइफ में, मगर छोटी छोटी बातें बहुत गहरी छाप छोड़ जाती हैं. मैं सेकंड टाइम प्रेग्नेंट थी. सब लोग बड़े आके रिश्तेदार, क्या होगा इस बार, क्या होगा, बड़ी बेटी है. मुझे उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता था, मगर मुझे फर्क पड़ता था. मैं बहुत दिन सोचती थी कि अजय क्या सोचता होगा. तो एक दिन मैंने इसे टटोलने के लिए कहा, अजय अगर दूसरी लड़की हो गई तो? एक जवाब मिला, तो क्या उसको भी उतना ही प्यार करेंगे? उस दिन से मेरे मन में इसकी रिस्पेक्ट बहुत बढ़ गई. उसको भी उतना ही प्यार करेंगे ना. तो ऐसी छोटी छोटी बातें हैं. हमको शायद अपने सब जिनको हम प्यार करते हैं उनके लिए ये फीलिंग रखनी चाहिए कि उन्हें हम कैसे बिना जताए कंफर्टेबल कर सकते हैं और कैसे हम अपने आप को कोशिश कर सकते हैं कि ऊपर उठें. ये मैंने अजय से बहुत सीखा है. और मेरे टीचर्स, जैसा मैंने कहा, बहुत टीचर की बहुत वैल्यू होती है लाइफ में. मैं तो यहाँ होती नहीं अगर मैडम बख्शी ना होती. अगर मैडम बख्शी ऐसी धाकड़, ऐसी ऑनेस्ट, ऐसी एचओडी खुराट नहीं होती तो किसी के भी कहने पे, किसी ने मुझे कहा था इफ शी इज कन्विंस्ड यू विल बी इन, बट उन्हें कन्विंस होना चाहिए कि तुम में मेरिट है। फिर वो बाद में हंस के कहती थी इतने मुझे फोन आते हैं, आई एम नॉट बॉदर्ड, मैं तो उसको लूंगी जो मुझे ठीक लगेगा। मैडम आपके जैसे लोग हैं तो हमारे जैसे लोग यहाँ हैं, ये बहुत बड़ी बात है। हम देखिए कितना जनरेशन पे फर्क पड़ जाता है अगर हम बड़े सही डिसीजन लेते हैं। दूसरा मेरी लाइफ का बहुत ही प्यारा पार्ट है, कभी कभी ये लोग मुझे कहते भी थे कितना टाइम देती हो रेसिडेंट्स को। मुझे रेसिडेंट सच में अपने बच्चों जैसे लगते थे। मैं उन्हें डांटती हूँ, प्यार करती हूँ, खिलाती पिलाती हूँ, तंग भी करती हूँ। यहाँ बिशु बैठा है, ही इज अ बिग सक्सेस स्टोरी। बिशु यू आर सिटिंग हियर। मेरे स्टूडेंट अभी आए पीछे, दे ऑल केम फॉर दे सेड हम ना मैडम से मिलने जाएंगे। वो ऑस्ट्रेलिया से 2-3 आ रहे थे, तो उन्होंने कहा ऐसा करते हैं मैडम का हम एक कंट्रीब्यूटरी डिनर करते हैं, मैडम को बुलाएंगे। मैंने कहा शर्म करो, मेरे घर आओ, मैं तुम्हें वैसे ही खिलाऊंगी। सो आई हैव दैट काइंड ऑफ रिलेशनशिप। आई नो मैं जहां भी हूँ, मेरी बड़ी बेटी प्रेग्नेंट थी, किसी को जानती नहीं थी, यूके में उसका अल्ट्रासाउंड हो रहा था। अल्ट्रासाउंड वाले ने कहा, गायनी वाला था, आप बाहर जाओ और यहाँ पे हस्बैंड को अलाउ नहीं करेंगे। हस्बैंड बहुत मचल रहा था, मैं भी देखूंगा मेरा बच्चा। शी सेड आप अलका कृपलानी को जानते हो? बोला इफ यू आर ट्रेंड इन इंडिया यू हैव टू नो अलका कृपलानी। ये मेरी बेटी ने मुझे फोन करके बताया, इतना एक्साइट होके उसने कहा मेरे दामाद को आओ अंदर फिल्म बना लो बच्चे की। वो इतनी छोटी सी बात थी, उसने मुझे इतना मोटिवेट किया कि मुझे और अच्छा होना चाहिए। मैं जो इन्हें कभी कभी इतनी जोर से डांट देती हूँ, नहीं करना चाहिए, मगर फिर मैं काम के समय भूल जाती हूँ। आई एम सॉरी। सो if what we give we get in life. This life is very simple. You give love, you get love. So that is a mantra I have learned from life. उसके बाद सबसे जरूरी आप सब हैं। रिकॉग्निशन कैसे है, आप कितना भी काम कर रहे हो तो उससे क्या फर्क पड़ता है अगर आपको लोग प्यार नहीं करते, आपके बुलाने पे इतने लोग आ नहीं जाते। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर बीइंग टुडे हियर। Thank you for listening to all this. Thank you हमेशा हौसला अफजाई करने के लिए, प्यार देने के लिए। मैं हमेशा आप सबकी बहुत शुक्रगुजार रहूंगी एक ये शाम देने के लिए। एंड थैंक यू मैनकाइंड। एंड आई एम अगेन सॉरी कि मैं आपको इतने महीने चक्कर लगवा रही थी। एक्चुअली मैं कुछ और सोचती थी, मुझे नहीं पता था। ये आपने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है। आई लव्ड द वे जिसमें आप लोगों ने जो भी भाव लाने की कोशिश करी है। थैंक यू एंड थैंक यू ऑल। आप नहीं होते तो ये शाम कैसे होती। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
थैंक यू सो मच मैम, थैंक यू मैम। आप सही मायनों में शक्ति हैं। थैंक यू सो मच। आई थिंक फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस वी all are equally humbled and inspired at the same time. May I now invite on dais Mr. Jijo Raju for the vote of thanks. And can we please have the mic?
Good evening, everyone. On behalf of Mankind, I would like to extend thanks to all of you to make sure that you, on a Saturday evening, you took out time and came to grace this event. Thanks from Mankind to all of you. But first of all, I'd like to thank Dr. Alka Kriplani for taking out time. And I'm first time, I'm also new to Mankind, but this movie tells that your life is a lesson to many. The whole objective of doing this is to make sure that such inspirational stories are taken to the world, and the young generation of doctors can see, the lessons which you can, through this movie, many can get inspiration and try to be somewhere near to you. So thanks a lot, ma'am, for taking out time and giving us this opportunity to share your life lessons with the world. Secondly, a big thanks to all of you to make sure that you are coming here and gracing this event. Parallelly, we should not miss out the whole team which made this movie. It's not an easy job to collate the story and make sure that in a simple manner it's taken to the world. So thanks to the particularly Chintamani and the team who made it. Thanks to the Mankind team who made sure that they're coordinated and made sure everyone is on the event on time. Thanks a lot. With that, I'd like to close and welcome all of you for the dinner. Thank you.